Today I'm going to show you how you can make your smoothies at home. This is the core, one of the keys of the Grow New Body program. What you give your body first thing in the morning. We're going to be giving it fats, really good fats, like avocado. We're going to be providing the body with almonds, with again really good fats, a little bit of excellent protein. And then we're going to make our own protein mix. The protein mixes you buy commercially generally are fairly good, but the ones you make yourself are even better. I've got sunflower seeds and chia seeds that will be giving us really high quality protein without the proteins that turn up mTOR. Remember that the mTOR upregulators are what we call the branched chain amino acids that you generally find in meat, in milk, and in dairy, but you also find in vegetables. Since we want to keep mTOR down, we're making our own proteins that are not high in the amino acids that will switch on the mTOR program. We're also adding blueberries. Blueberries are fantastic for upgrading and repairing the hippocampus. Also rich in antioxidants. The darker the color of the berries, the more antioxidant activity that they have. And we have our almonds here are being soaked. We're soaking them overnight so that their enzymes wake up, they come alive. And here I have pumpkin seeds rich in protein and fats as well. So, and then we're going to be adding probiotics. We're going to be adding all of the supplements to our morning smoothie that the body needs to repair and to regenerate. So we begin with nuts, and we add a handful, about 8 or 10 nuts per person. And blueberries, I'm going to be adding about 2 spoonfuls per person. And then I'm going to put half an avocado in it. So I love avocados, and we use them for everything. Luckily here at Los Lobos in Chile, we get lots of good avocados. Fantastic avocados that are rich in the kind of fats that your higher brain needs in order to create psychosomatic health, to create health. And then we want to add the proteins and the sunflower seeds and the chia and the pumpkin seeds. And now we're going to go into the powders, into the supplements that are going to be giving you the kind of resilience and strength and support for regeneration. Let's begin with the probiotics. This is one of my favorites, Omni-Biotic. I know the owner of the company, Dr. Anita Frauwallner, obsessive about the quality of her probiotics. Super powerful. They come from Austria. And I'm going to put a good spoonful in there. Since I'm making enough for 2 people, I'm going to put a double dose in here. And then regular probiotics from the United States. This is from Garden of Life. They're prepared by my friend Dr. David Perlmutter. Dr. Perlmutter and I wrote a book together, How to Power Up Your Brain. And what I'm doing is I'm opening up the capsule because probiotics are freeze-dried. They are freeze-dried, and what we want to do is to make sure that they hydrate outside of your stomach. So I'm going to put them into the smoothie so that they absorb water, they become hydrated again, and otherwise they will hydrate inside your stomach. And if they do that, they're going to be hydrating in a bunch of stomach acid, and they're going to blow up and die. So be sure that you always rehydrate your probiotics before you take them. Otherwise, they're not going to do you any good. And today the probiotic industry is huge, but nobody tells you that you need to rehydrate them before you take them. Because remember, they are cultured in vats of liquid. And then they're freeze-dried so they can be put in a capsule. And then the first thing that they need to do is to rehydrate, to come alive again. They've been dormant. They're sleeping. Now, probiotics can continue to sleep for tens of thousands of years. When they have discovered frozen mammoths in the Arctic, and they have looked at their intestinal flora, the probiotics, they find that these probiotics will come alive again as soon as they reach body temperature. They've been sleeping for 10,000 years. You want to be sure your probiotics are alive and active. And then I do chlorella. So remember, chlorella is an amazing binder. It's going to help to bind toxins and get them out of your system. And it's also great food for your intestinal flora. So it's very intense. So I'm only going to put a small amount in our mix. And then, of course, kale powder. Kale is this amazing medicine plant. It is pure nutrition. And I'm putting a good spoonful, or I will put fresh kale in the smoothie. I prefer the powder because it's available all year round. And then I'm adding a bit of curcumin, of turmeric. This is the extract. This is very high in the curcuminoids. So this is the pure curcumin, which I need a very small amount of. This is very intense and very strong. And I actually prefer taking it in the evening when I prepare the my curcumin drink. And then I want to get some antioxidant support, so I'll put some pomegranate juice. Pomegranates have amazing medicinal qualities. A bit of pomegranate. And today I'm going to add a little bit of wild cranberry. Again, these are rich not only in antioxidants, and the antioxidant story has really been overtold. What they're rich in is in the signaling molecules, the red berries, the colors, rich in the polyphenols that are telling your genes to switch on the genes for health and to silence the genes that create disease. These are signaling molecules. This is information. And this is the kind of information that will keep you in extraordinary health. Okay. So now I'm going to be adding water to it. And blending. We have this amazing mix of ingredients that we go, my God, is this going to taste all right? You've got to taste it. You've got to try it. If it's a little bit too intense, you want to put some more berries in it. These berries, blueberries have a very low glycemic index. They're not going to raise your blood sugar. They're not going to bring you out of ketosis. They're going to keep you in that state of using fat for fuel, and at the same time provide you with the signaling molecules to turn on your genes for health. Let's try it out. All right, let's see how it came out. Fantastic. This smoothie is all you need to eat for the entire day. But since we've been used to eating 3 meals a day since we were born, we're going to have a regular lunch and dinner within that 6 to 8 hour feeding window. The smoothie is to give you the essentials you need in the morning and some of the fat in the avocados and in the nuts that you need to fuel the detox and repair processes. But if you wanted to, this is all you would need to eat for the entire day. It's fantastic, full of nutrients, full of signaling molecules. This is going to wake up your ketosis, your burning fat for fuel, instead of burning sugars, which is what we've become accustomed to doing. It's the basis of your health for the rest of the day.